Today we are going to tell a story. A story about an elephant family that went to live to a new town. This is because the story is so wide. The title of the story is Little Elephant. This is Little Elephant. I'm going to show you Little Elephant. Okay, can you see? This is Little Elephant. He's wearing his beautiful red glasses, his wonderful blue t-shirt, but he's sad. He's very sad. You know what? To wear my lights, please. Turn on the lights. Okay. So, Little Elephant was very sad because he has no friends. I have no friends. Where are my friends? He's so sad. Then, suddenly, he looked through the window. Oh! And he saw a snail. Can you see a snail? The snail was walking very slowly. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Come on, hurry! Tick, tock, tick, tock. He walked very slowly because he had a tummy ache. Oh, my tummy! Oh, my tummy! Come on! Oh, my tummy! She saw a chamomile flower. A chamomile flower. Chamomile. This flower you put in some hot water and it helps you with your tummy ache. Okay, I'm going to put the chamomile. So, the snail got hold of the chamomile and, come on, hurry, 1, 2, 3, come on. And 1, 2, 3. Boom! Boom! Oh! And the chamomile didn't move. The chamomile didn't move. I can't. Come on, everybody. I can't. Suddenly, a frog came along. Come on. Frog. Hello, snail. Hello, frog. What's the matter? Come on, everybody. What's the matter? As soon as snail said, I can't do it. It's easy. I can help you. So, very good. So, the frog got hold of the snail got hold of the chamomile, and come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. We can't. Little Elephant was sitting on his chair. He thought, I'm Little Elephant. I'm very strong. I can help them. But they are not my friends. So he decided not to go. Then a cat came along. So, the cat got hold of the frog. The frog got hold of the snail. And the snail got hold of the chamomile. And come on!
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We can't do it. Then a dog came around. frog got hold of the snake, and the snake got hold of this camel and
1, 2, 3, 4. We can't.
Little elephant was sitting. He was thinking, I can help you. I'm very strong. But they are not my friends. I'm not going to go. But, ta-da! A cow came along. Betty the cow. Hello, snail. Come on. Hello, frog. Hello, cat. Hello, dog. Hello, cow. What's the matter? We can't do it. It's easy. I can help you. So, the cow got hold of the dog. The dog got hold of the cat. The cat got hold of the frog. The frog got hold of the snake. And the snake got hold of the yellow island.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We can't. But suddenly they hear a noise. Boom, 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 boom. Who's that? Who's it? Yes, it's Little Elephant. Little Elephant. Again? All right, so this time, Little Elephant said, hello, snail. Hello, frog. Hello, cat. Hello, dog. Hello, cow. Hello, little elephant. What's the matter? We can't do it. It's easy. I can help you. So, little elephant got hold of the cow. The cow got hold of the dog. The dog got hold of the cat. The cat got hold of the frog. The frog got hold of the snake. And the snake got hold of the camel island. Come on, let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is what happened. Little elephant is very strong. And everybody is ruined here. Sorry, snake. Sorry, cat. Sorry, dog. Sorry, frog. It doesn't matter. We are friends. And can you see the cowboy? They got to pull the cowboy out. And this is the story of the Little Elephant. Thank you very much.
Nha.